Hey, how you doing? It is Tom Breeze here. And if you are interested in running YouTube ads and building campaigns from the ground up so they're very profitable and very scalable, then listen in, because myself and Kurt Marley are going to be jumping on a call and really just walking through exactly what it takes to get huge amounts of success with running YouTube ads. In fact, I'm going to walk you through my 8-step blueprint that I use in my own agency, and we've worked with tons of amazing clients. And I'm going to show you exactly that same blueprint that I teach a lot of other people, and they've scaled their campaigns to over $1 million a month in ad spend on YouTube alone. This stuff really does work, and I want to share with you what it takes to get the very best out of YouTube. In particular, we're going to break down how to find your audience, how to create killer ads on a shoestring budget, and really get into the deep dive of creating videos. We're then going to talk more about what type of offers work best on YouTube, and then how to run your account in the most efficient way so that when you're building your campaigns, you know you don't get ad fatigue or audience fatigue or offer fatigue. You're building it so that you are maintaining those amazing results, and it becomes a reliable, consistent form of new leads, new customers at profit and at scale as well. And of course, as you know, Kurt always makes this a lot of fun as well. So we're going to jump on the webinar. Make sure you click the link in this video. Go register your seat. We're going to have a lot of fun together, but I'm going to make sure you know exactly what to do when it comes to running YouTube ads. I'll see you there.